CORZ is showing a decent amount of volatility. This is the market is just about to open for Monday, the 7th of July, 2025. The company or the stock is dominating trader and investor discussions following explosive reports that CoreWeave, the cloud computing giant specializing in AI workloads, is in advanced acquisition talks to buy the Bitcoin mining and high performance computing firm. The news has ignited a flurry of speculation, with analysts and traders dissecting every angle of what could be a game changing deal in the AI and digital infrastructure space. The potential deal reports suggest CoreWeave may be offering a significant premium to Core Scientific's current market price, with rumors floating that the deal could value CORZ north of $30 per share. While unconfirmed, this has been enough to send the stock soaring slightly in this pre-market session, but has also given up some of those gains. It spiked to the highs of 21.21. Yeah. So some bulls argue that a $30 plus acquisition makes sense given Core's massive infrastructure footprint, especially its partnerships with AI clients like CoreWeave itself. Others are more cautious, pointing to potential dilution, past financial issues, and uncertainty around the structure of the deal, whether it's cash, stock, or a mix. Potential short squeeze. Fueling the fire is Core's elevated short interest with a limited float and heavy options volume. Many in the community believe the acquisition news could catalyze the short squeeze, forcing shorts to cover as the stock runs higher. Traders are watching for gamma squeeze setups as call options stack up, particularly in the $15 to $25 strike range. When this is usually a case where, yeah, just like the readout is saying, call options stack up, then market makers are forced to buy the stock. And then when they buy the stock, then it also leads to FOMO. And then you have, you know, so gamma short squeeze is induced by huge interest, huge increase in increase in call open interests, or rather option open interests, which causes market makers to hedge by buying, and then it now leads to you and I to also join the fray. So borrow fees and zero shares to short at several brokers are only adding to the bullish pressure. What about warrants? A crucial subplot in the discussion is the fate of CRZW warrants. These financial instruments give holders the right to purchase common shares at a specific price and become extremely valuable if the buyout comes in above expectations. Speculators are trying to calculate implied value, as some believe the warrants could see a massive re-rating. Others are warning that deal terms could exclude or cap upside for warrant holders, especially if the buyout is structured unfavorably. Strategic value to CoreWeave. Why would CoreWeave want Core Scientific? It's all about infrastructure control. Core Scientific, or CORZ, owns and operates a massive data center capacity, much of it already dedicated to power hungry workloads like Bitcoin mining and increasingly AI and high performance compute jobs. Acquiring CORZ would give CoreWeave immediate access to a national scale energy and compute footprints, especially for training and serving AI models. Community sentiment. The online sentiment ranges from euphoric to skeptical. Some see this as a validation of CRZ's pivot into AI hosting, arguing it was undervalued even before these talks. Others fear a buy the rumor, sell the news event if the deal falls through or comes in below expectations. There's also chatter comparing CORZ to NVIDIA's ecosystem downstream plays, suggesting CoreWeave is taking a page from NVIDIA's strategy to vertically integrate. So, bottom line, CoreWeave, Core Scientific is now at the center of one of the hottest merger speculations in the AI mining crossover space. Whether or not CoreWeave seals the deal, the stock is likely to remain extremely volatile, with eyes on short interest, deal structure, and the rapidly growing value of digital infrastructure. This could be a pivotal moment, not just for CORZ, but for the entire intersection of Bitcoin mining and AI compute hosting. So the market has now since opened. The loss is now 22.67%. This printed in this market, in this session, 21.21. That was a gain, but for some reason, it has lost it. It has lost that gain. So this is, you can see that now reflected. Yeah, so we have rebound projection of 17.74, 20.34, 21.95. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. We can just have a look at its daily chart. It doesn't have enough data, has not been trading long enough. Let's see what we have here on the weekly chart. We have downward projections 9.67, upper projections 18.12, 22.67, 25.48. Let's see what's at play on the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, there's an extrapolation for its 3 period moving average. Lower prices expected to remain in place up till Monday, up till the close of today's trading session, and after that we might see an accumulative contraction. What do we have in terms of projections? We have upper projection of 17.2. Momentum is waning. Momentum is, let's see what it's saying. Has it gone, severely bearish, severely bearish. Momentum of its 10 period moving average on this 4 hour chart. Let's look at the 3 hour chart and see. We're looking for projections. We have lower prices expected to remain in place up till the close of today's trading session, and then may cycle distributively all the way towards Monday, the 14th of July. Just those are just extrapolations. No guarantee that they will print. We have 17.2 upper projection. Let's look at the 2 hour chart and see what we have. Let's see what we have. We have 17.93, 18.33, 18.58. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. We have 17.63, 17.42, 17.28. $15-minute chart. Here it's, let's see what we have. We have 17.16, 17.29, 17.52, 18.69, 19.09, 19.34. Let's jump to the 5-minute chart. We have 20.63. It's an upper projection. $20.63 as well in 3-minute chart. Okay, downward projections. We have 13.59, 13.05, 12.72. So I think we've seen $20 on some fraction. Yeah. We've seen $20 on some fraction in terms of possible rebound projection. Yeah, okay. See what you make of CORZ down as things stand right now, 23.11%. Thank you very much for watching this video.